Hi guys! In today's video, I'm showing you how to use Duet effect on TikTok. The process is straightforward and effortless. The only thing you have to do is open your TikTok application. Once it will be open, look for that video in with you want to do Duet. Just for example, I will use Duet feature of TikTok with this video, just for an example. So how can you use Duet? If you take a look on the left side of your mobile screen, you will see different options. And from these options, tap on this second last option. And on the bottom right, you can see the option to Duet. If you can't see, then swipe this line to the left side. Then you will see more options. So from here, tap on this Duet. Now it's processing. So here you can see the Duet feature has been enabled. These are the types of Duet. You can change type by tapping here. As you see now, the type has been changed. You can also apply some effect on Duet, but for now, I will not apply effect. So it was the basic way by which you can do Duet on TikTok.